24 AI tools for content creators. Copy.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to revolutionize the way you create written content. With its advanced language capabilities, Copy.ai empowers content creators, marketers, and writers to effortlessly craft compelling and engaging text across a wide range of applications. Whether you're drafting blog posts, social media content, advertisements, or any other form of written communication, Copy.ai serves as your intelligent writing assistant, providing you with the tools to produce high-quality content more efficiently than ever before. Descript is a groundbreaking multimedia editing platform that redefines the way creators approach audio and video content. With its innovative AI-driven technology, Descript offers a seamless and intuitive environment for crafting, editing, and perfecting your audio and video projects. Whether you're a podcaster, filmmaker, content producer, or storyteller, Descript empowers you to transform your raw recordings into polished, engaging, and professional quality content. Adobe Podcast. Adobe brings its world-class creativity and innovation to the realm of podcasting with Adobe Podcast. Designed for podcasters of all levels, Adobe Podcast offers an intuitive and powerful platform to produce, edit, and share your audio content like never before. Unleash your storytelling potential, captivate your audience, and create professional quality podcasts that leave a lasting impact. Neural Text is a pioneering technology that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and neural networks to transform the way we generate and comprehend written content. Built upon advanced language models and deep learning algorithms, Neural Text offers a revolutionary approach to text generation, understanding, and manipulation. From generating coherent and contextually relevant text to extracting insights and enhancing communication, Neural Text opens new dimensions of possibilities across various industries and applications. Narrato, a new dimension to personal storytelling and journaling, offering a dynamic platform that captures, preserves, and beautifully presents your life's moments. With a blend of technology and artistry, Narrato empowers you to craft your unique narrative, weaving together memories, emotions, and experiences into a captivating digital journal. Whether you're chronicling your daily adventures, reflecting on milestones, or sharing your journey with loved ones, Narrato transforms your stories into visually stunning and deeply meaningful digital keepsakes. Let's Enhance is an innovative image enhancement platform that empowers you to transform ordinary photos into extraordinary visuals. With cutting-edge AI algorithms and advanced image processing techniques, Let's Enhance redefines the way you enhance, edit, and beautify your images. Whether you're a photographer, designer, or someone who simply wants to breathe new life into their pictures, Let's Enhance offers an intuitive and powerful solution for elevating the quality and impact of your visual content. Movio is an innovative moviegoer insights platform that revolutionizes how the film industry understands and engages with audiences. Utilizing cutting-edge data analytics and AI-driven technology, Movio provides studios, exhibitors, and marketers with a comprehensive suite of tools to gain deep insights into audience behavior, preferences, and trends. By decoding the intricate tapestry of moviegoer data, Movio empowers the entertainment industry to make informed decisions, craft targeted marketing campaigns, and create unforgettable cinematic experiences. Crayon is an intelligent market and competitive intelligence platform that empowers businesses to make smarter decisions by harnessing the power of real-time data and insights. With its cutting-edge technology and comprehensive monitoring capabilities, Crayon provides organizations with a clear and dynamic view of their competitive landscape, enabling them to stay ahead of industry trends, adapt to market shifts, and seize new opportunities. Sondraw is a groundbreaking music composition and creation platform that empowers musicians, producers, and creators to bring their musical visions to life. With its innovative blend of AI-driven tools and intuitive interfaces, Sondraw revolutionizes the music production process, making it accessible to both seasoned professionals and aspiring artists. Whether you're crafting original tracks, experimenting with sounds, or seeking inspiration, Draw provides an immersive and dynamic environment to unleash your creativity and produce high-quality music. Deep Image is a groundbreaking image enhancement and manipulation platform that leverages cutting-edge AI technology to transform ordinary images into extraordinary visual masterpieces. With its advanced neural networks and deep learning algorithms, Deep Image redefines the boundaries of image editing, offering artists, photographers, and creative professionals a powerful tool to unlock new dimensions of visual storytelling and expression. ColorMind is a cutting-edge AI-powered color palette generator and design tool that ignites your creative vision by simplifying the process of color selection and combination. Whether you're a designer, artist, marketer, or anyone seeking to enhance visual aesthetics, ColorMind offers an intuitive platform to discover, curate, and experiment with harmonious color palettes that breathe life into your projects. Beautiful is an ingenious platform that merges the realms of creativity and technology, providing an innovative canvas for artists, designers, and creators to collaborate with artificial intelligence and produce stunning visual masterpieces. Through the synergy of human imagination and advanced AI algorithms, Beautiful AI empowers you to explore uncharted territories of artistic expression, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital art and design. WordTune is a game-changing writing assistant powered by AI that elevates your written communication to new heights. With its intuitive interface and advanced language capabilities, WordTune revolutionizes the way you compose, revise, and enhance your text, ensuring your messages are clear, engaging, and impactful. Whether you're crafting emails, reports, social media posts, or any form of written content, WordTune empowers you to express yourself with precision and flair. Quillbot is an intelligent writing tool that empowers you to effortlessly enhance your written communication. Leveraging advanced AI and machine learning technology, Quillbot reimagines the way you craft sentences, paragraphs, and documents, helping you express your ideas with clarity, precision, and creativity. Whether you're composing essays, emails, articles, or any form of written content, Quillbot serves as your AI writing companion, providing suggestions and improvements that elevate your writing to new heights. Taplio is an innovative platform that redefines the way businesses and organizations connect with their audience through interactive and engaging touchpoints. Combining cutting-edge technology with creativity, Taplio empowers you to transform physical objects, locations, and digital screens into dynamic, interactive experiences that captivate and delight your customers, clients, and users. Slidesci is a revolutionary presentation enhancement platform that leverages artificial intelligence to transform ordinary slides into captivating visual narratives. With its advanced algorithms and intuitive design tools, Slidesci empowers presenters, educators, and professionals to create impactful and visually stunning presentations that resonate with audiences and convey ideas with clarity and flair. Synthesia is a cutting-edge AI-powered platform that revolutionizes the way you learn and play music. With its innovative technology, Synthesia empowers musicians, beginners, and enthusiasts to effortlessly learn and perform songs on various instruments by visualizing sheet music as interactive, animated tutorials. Whether you're a pianist, guitarist, or simply passionate about music, Synthesia offers an engaging and effective way to unlock your musical potential. Durable is a trusted brand that specializes in crafting high-quality, long-lasting products designed to withstand the test of time and the rigors of everyday use. With a commitment to durability, reliability, and superior craftsmanship, Durable delivers a range of practical solutions that cater to various needs and industries. Adobe Firefly is the new family of creative generative AI models coming to Adobe products, focusing initially on image and text effect generation. Firefly will offer new ways to ideate, create, and communicate while significantly improving creative workflows. Rationale is a powerful reasoning and argumentation tool that empowers individuals, teams, and organizations to think critically, analyze complex issues, and construct persuasive arguments. Designed to enhance decision-making, problem-solving, and communication skills, Rationale provides a structured framework for organizing ideas, evaluating evidence, and presenting well-constructed explanations. Wizard is a rapid, AI-powered UI design tool used for designing wireframes, mock-ups, and prototypes in minutes. Wizard's AI features allow users to generate UI designs from text prompts, convert hand-drawn sketches into wireframes, and transform screenshots into editable designs. Runway is an innovative creative platform that merges cutting-edge technology with artistic expression, empowering creators, designers, and artists to explore new frontiers of visual and interactive experiences. With its diverse set of tools and capabilities, Runway pushes the boundaries of creative expression by providing a playground for experimenting with AI, machine learning, and computational art. Gamma. An overview. Gamma is a free-to-use presentation tool that helps you create presentations with the power of AI. Thus, allowing you to present ideas and information in a condensed form using text, images, and graphics. Postwise is the revolutionary AI Twitter tool that's designed to help you go viral. With features like Growth Tools trademark, AI Writer and Ghost Writer registered, you can easily write content that's been engineered for engagement, schedule posts, and grow your followers without having to stress over every word. Thanks from Learn.pk.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Learn.pk and hit the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks.